Hello friends, in the series of BSE IPF, I welcome you all. We are discussing a report by a private company called Macquarie. We have discussed so far about the GDP, government finances, GDP per capita, then bank credit and NPA, digital dream, energy, or the opportunities in this sector where investor can think of investing for a longer duration. We have also talked about Indian capital market, equity market, and debt market, and the topic about which we will be talking today, which is a most favorite topic of common investor, is mutual funds. There is a separate playlist on our YouTube channel, so the investor who wants to know in detail about rest of the topics can check out our YouTube channel. And this is the initiative by BSE, IPF and SEBI because they took this initiative to empower small investor, so they need not to get dependent on a third person. So don't forget to say them thanks after this session. Now, yes, let us talk about mutual fund. We are the 22 lakh crore industry. We have grown 15 folds in last 15 years, which is really remarkable, commendable. So we are 22 lakh crore industry, out of which 10 lakh crore in equity and 11 lakh crore in debt mutual funds. So when we talk about the percentage, 46% in equity and 53% in debt. Number of account folios, though 10 lakh crores in equity mutual fund, but the number of folios is more. Here it is 76,000 and in debt it is 7,000 because the volume of each application in debt is larger than equity because most of the investor are institutional and corporate. Individual investor usually they go 33% only in debt, 45% they think of going to equity funds, then 19% hybrid, which is a combination of debt and equity, and 3% the others. So less number of individual investor goes into the debt. This is the average account folio size. These numbers are in thousand. It is 5,71,000 and it is 84,000. Equity, if it is they are investing in equity, then each folio size volume will be 84,000 and it is of 5,71,000. That's why the difference in number of folios is there. Average folio size have reduced in last few years. We can see it here. The reason behind is the amount of inflow from 2019 to 2020. The amount of inflow which is coming into the mutual funds have reduced. That's why average size is one of the reason that average size have reduced. We can see it here that mutual fund asset to GDP, we are at fifth level. Brazil, South Africa, Thailand, China are ahead us in this segment, and almost 20% 20% funds are there in mutual fund. Rest 30% still funds are in the banks. If the 5%, 10%, 20% amount comes into the mutual fund from the bank, then definitely that will give a boost to equity markets or debt market or overall financial markets because more money will come, more demand will be there, and prices can go up. So that 20%, and when we talk about the number of folios in the comparison of bank account, then number of folios are just 4%. So this much room is still there to go up. And SIP, yes, this is one of the important topic that more people are going in a direct way. Then they don't want intermediaries anymore. 20% people have chosen to go direct, individual investor, and 74% the other investor are thinking to go direct. This is a power of SIP, monthly SIP inflow. Once the SIP is starting, it is most of the times it is perpetual, so the same amount is coming there for a long duration. And this is a number of SIP accounts. This is a number of SIP AUM and average balance per SIP account. Though it have reduced, but still the numbers are remarkable and commendable. So we are stopping here. Thank you very much for liking our session. Let the more and more people should come into the market. That will give a boost to the economy. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Don't forget to write your name and your mail address in the comment section. The same topic is there in Marathi and Hindi. You can check out our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to say thanks to BSE, IPF and SEBI because they took this initiative. Stay tuned.